A novel aerial robot is able to navigate through narrow gaps, gently pull and push a deformable curtain at close proximity, and maintain a stable tilted hover for watering tasks. With a compact structure, low aerodynamic disturbance, and high-precision control, to address the limitations of conventional under-actuated and fully actuated UAVs such as dynamic coupling,
bulky configurations, and strong aerodynamic interference during interaction.
The team led by Prof.Fei Gao at Zhejiang University proposes Float Drone, a novel fully actuated coaxial aerial robot, specifically designed for close proximity operation. This work has been accepted to IROS 2025. The research introduces innovations in both hardware structure and control design. Fully-actuated drone is the first fully actuated UAV to integrate control surfaces, which generate horizontal lift based on Bernoulli's principle, significantly reducing lateral airflow interference during physical interaction. At the same time, a coaxial dual rotor configuration is adopted to maintain high hovering efficiency while achieving a compact structure. On the control side, a dynamic model is established. A hierarchical position and attitude controller is developed. This framework enables seamless switching between fully actuated and under-actuated flight modes, providing a flexible balance between control accuracy and energy efficiency. The system is validated through real-world experiments. NOKOV Optical Motion Capture System provides high-precision ground truth position and attitude measurements for evaluating the drone's control and dynamic performance. In the H-shaped trajectory tracking experiment, the UAV achieves seamless drone transitions, demonstrating precise tracking and adaptive mode switching. Then continuous hovering altitude tracking. The system maintains an attitude error of 1.8 degrees RMS under rapidly varying commands, demonstrating high-precision attitude control. Additional experiments, including traversing an inclined narrow gap, shows the fully actuated and compact float drone enables precise control in complex environments. Pulling and pushing a deformable curtain within a 30-centimeter workspace. Unwiring via two-shot hovering demonstrate float drone's low aerodynamic disturbance, precise control, and strong capability for close proximity aerial manipulation.